Let me show you how to. European pneumatic film mold assembly. Put on the cushion and upper blade. After installation, tighten the screws. Lower inner knife. Cutting knife C. Tighten the screws. Now, the blade is installed. Next, we install the feeding plate. This is the feeding cover plate. Tighten the screws. We put this terminal through this feeding plate. Then adjust the feeding cover to the large cover, 0.1 of a millimeter away from the terminal, and can slide back and forth freely. Then tighten these 2 screws again.
Then observe whether the terminal can slide freely.
We have adjusted it like this. Next, we put this feeding plate onto the grinding frame. Then adjust the feeding plate to the right position. Install it properly. Next, we tighten the bottom screws a little tighter. Next, we adjust the feeding claw. This position can move back and forth. We put the feeding claw in a circle. After adjusting, we tighten the screw again. Next, we adjust the terminals close to the cutting line. Now our European pneumatic film mold has been assembled. Next, we will install this European pneumatic mold onto this machine. Then we tighten it again. We insert this air pipe into this air pipe joint. Next, let's try it out, how the crimping effect is. This demonstration is over. Thank you for watching.